So now let's see how we can create a CD or a DVD label from Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the Create button over here on the top. And here you can see CD DVD label is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that this is what you have right here. So you can go around and select a basic design, and basically for CDs and DVDs, this is the design that you get. So I can go around and autofill with selected images right here. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it downloads out the content from online right here from the Adobe Photoshop Elements server, and then you can see that it applies the photos right there just like this. So this is what you have. You can go around and click and drag out the photos right here. You can go around and click and drag out this photo over here and this photo over here, and that's it. That is how you can go around and make a label, as you can see. You can also go around and place the image wherever you like right here, or you can go around, select it, delete out one of the images. I'm just going to select group and contents, and you can see that you can really increase out the image size right here, and then you can use that as a template right here just like this. Press the check mark, and this is what you have right here. So now if I were to go to the advanced mode right here, then you'll be able to see all of the settings that you would get when you're editing in the expert mode inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements, and this is it. So now you can go around and then go to file, print this out right here. So I'm just going to go around and print it as a PDF file so that we can see how this looks when it is printed. So you can see that it arranges out everything right here. So I'm just going to go around onto Microsoft PDF to print, and I'm going to go around and hit the print button right here just like this, and I'm going to save this out as an example on my desktop and click on save, and then it generates out the file right there. So once that is done, I'm going to go around over here on the top. Let me just click and drag. You can see that this is how it would look in printing. So once I open it, there you go. This is how you can go around and generate out a CD DVD label from Adobe Photoshop Elements.